Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm going to talk about civil and common law system today. And before I start, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not, so that you can get regular updates on my upcoming videos. Legal system refers to a procedure or a process under which laws are interpreted or applied in a particular country or a system of law. There are mainly two legal systems, and those are civil law and common law system. The civil law system originated from Rome and it was compiled by Roman Emperor Justinian, who codified all the laws and wrote them in a book, and all the courts were asked to pass the decisions based on those codified laws. So under the civil law we can say it's a legal system where all the laws are clearly written in a book, and it specifies the duties and responsibilities or rights of citizens, and whenever there is any dispute, courts are supposed to pass the judgments as per the codified laws. There is no scope for judges to pass a judgment based on their reasoning or pass a judgment which goes beyond those codified laws. This legal system is prevalent in around 60% countries of the world, and it includes more than 150 countries across the globe. If any matter goes before the judges under which there is no codified law or there has been no law passed by the legislature, courts are not authorized to pass a decision in those matters. Courts will wait till a law is passed by the legislature and after that give their judgment based on the codified laws. Few countries where civil law system is prevalent are China, Japan, Germany, France, and Spain. Let's move now to the common law system. The original source of the common law system can be traced back to the English monarchy, which used to issue formal orders called writs when justice needed to be done. Because writs were not sufficient to cover all situations, courts of equity were ultimately established to hear complaints and devise appropriate remedies based on equitable principles taken from many sources of authority. As these decisions were collected and published, it became possible for courts to look up presidential opinions and apply them to current cases, and thus the common law developed. Under this legal system, laws may not be always codified or written, and courts have the authority to pass the laws based on the matters prevalent or disputes in front of them. For example, as per Article 141 of the Constitution of India, any judgment or law declared by the Supreme Court of India shall be binding within the territory of India, and it shall be considered like any other law passed by the legislature of India. The common legal system is prevalent in around 80 countries across the globe, and it includes India, England, United States of America, and Canada. One another important feature of common law system is that of separation of powers. Under separation of powers, if any law is enacted or enforced by the legislature which curtails the rights of its citizens, courts have the authority to struck down or declare those laws invalid. In the same way, if there is any infringement or encroachment of rights of citizens, the legislature has an authority to enact a law so that the rights of the citizens are protected. So I would like to conclude this discussion, and I would request you to comment if any suggestions you have with this regard.